NMDC Recruitment of Maintenance Assistant and Field Attendant. For Maintenance Assistant and Field Attendants, there will be technical and non-technical questions. There are 50 non-technical questions. In this video, we will solve the last 25 non-technical questions on Indian Constitution. In the last video, we had solved the first 25 questions. In this channel, you will find many other videos on NMDC general knowledge. Please watch those for preparation of NMDC recruitment exams. This is part 7. Please check our other videos on Karnataka State, Bellary District, Belagavi District, Mysore District, Chamarajanagar District, Bengaluru. These are multiple choice questions. You will have 10 seconds to answer a question. The right answer will be displayed after 10 seconds. Let's start. What was the total members of the Constituent Assembly? (389). When was the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly held? 9th December 1946. Who was the interim president of the Constituent Assembly? Sachidananda Sinha. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Name the Indian Prime Minister who promoted the ideals of socialism. Jawaharlal Nehru. Directive principles of state policies has been taken from Ireland. The Indian Constitution came into effect on January 26, 1950. The objective resolution was introduced in the Constituent Assembly by Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? B.N. Rao. Who prepared the draft of the Preamble based on the objective resolution? B.N. Rao. Which of the following is called as the soul of the Constitution? Preamble. Which of the following is known as the Magna Carta of the Constitution? Fundamental rights. In the preamble, the words socialist, secular, and unity and integrity were added in the 42nd Amendment, 1976. The names of the state and union territories are described in first schedule. Which was the first state created as the separate state on the linguistic basis in 1953? Andhra Pradesh. The State Reorganization Commission was constituted in 1953. The Indian Citizenship Act was passed in 1955. Which of the following articles can only be claimed by the citizens? (15, 16 and 19). The right to property ceased to be a fundamental right by 44th Amendment. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution by 42nd Amendment. Which of the following articles cannot be suspended during emergency? Articles 20 and 21. Which of the following is related to Swan Singh Committee? Fundamental duties. The power of the President to promulgate ordinance is related to Article 123. Who presides the joint sitting of the Parliament? Speaker of Lok Sabha. In this channel, you will find many other videos on NMDC general knowledge. Please watch those for preparation of NMDC recruitment exams.